Removing the front navigation light on a 2009 Honda CR-V third generation is secured with 4 bolts. 2 are located here, one in the left light, the light itself, and the second under the glass of the second one. 2 more are located in the glasses compartment. The light is easily removed, as is the glass. There are 2 fasteners here, one eyelet and the other with the mating parts on the glass itself. They are installed in their respective positions like this. Removing them is done the same way. Pry one side from this side, then the other. That is, not the right or left. There's nothing here, just the side of the glass and the one closest to you. I recommend doing this in warm weather, since the plastic is quite delicate. Use a plastic spudger and pry it down. One side comes off, and then the other side. It's not very convenient to do this with one hand. After removing the glass, unscrew the second Phillips head screw and 2 more from the glasses compartment. After unscrewing all the bolts, the entire compartment drops down. Here, we have 2 connection plugs. Here is one, and here is the second one. The entire lampshade is removed. It is removed quite easily. There is a small tab here. Press it and pull it out, and the same thing, here is the tab of the second plug.